everyone, this is Richa Tyagi representing Auto Components India and Commercial Vehicle Magazine. Today we are here at India Rubber Expo 2026 New Delhi. So here we will be covering the innovations and the global how global tensions are impacting the rubber industry. So let's take a view from everyone who is presenting here. So right now the global rubber industry is going through a very challenging phase. Due to global tensions, rise in West Asia war, the global rubber industry is impacting very much, which is pushing up raw material and shipping costs for both synthetic rubber and natural rubber. So I'll be taking you around and we will be seeing what people are saying about this tension and what kind of support they want from the government and what challenges they are facing due to the war. So stay tuned with us. Lot of geopolitical tensions are going on, अमेरिका ईरान वॉर, तो वो आपकी इंडस्ट्री, आपकी कंपनी कैसे उससे इम्पैक्ट होगी?
मैम, ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता कि आपके साथ में आग लगी हुई और आप उससे प्रभावित ना हो। इंडस्ट्री हमारी भी प्रभावित हो रही है, बहुत बुरी तरह से प्रभावित हो रही है। कई सारे रॉ मटेरियल के प्राइसेस ऑल टाइम हाई हैं, उनको भी करना है, बट बिज़नेस में रहना भी है, रिटेन भी करना है। तो समहाउ कहीं कुछ कॉस्ट स्वयं से बियर की है, कुछ सामने वाले कस्टमर से ली है, बट इंडस्ट्री में सर्वाइव तो करना है, इंडस्ट्री तो चलानी है, बट दैट मस्ट बी स्टॉप्ड। अभी रुकना चाहिए, ये ज़्यादा हो गया है। इंडस्ट्री भी टॉलरेट नहीं कर रही है, आम कस्टमर भी टॉलरेट नहीं कर पा रहा है, ये तो रुकना भी चाहिए। मैम, आपकी कंपनी उससे कैसे इम्पैक्ट हो रही है? आपके एक्सपोर्ट और इंपोर्ट में क्या? मैम, 2-3 तरीके से हम लोग इम्पैक्टेड हैं। हम अपनी फैक्ट्री PNG गैस पे चलाते हैं, वी आर नॉन पोल्यूटिंग कंपनी, और गवर्नमेंट ने उसकी सैंक्शन हमें 55% कर दी है, उससे ज़्यादा हम निकाल नहीं सकते अपनी सैंक्शन कैपेसिटी से। अब उसकी वजह से फैक्ट्री हफ्ते में 1 या 2 दिन चलानी पड़ती है, बाकी 4 दिन लेबर को बैठा के खुद से कॉस्ट बियर करनी पड़ती है। कस्टमर्स के ऑर्डर टाइम पर नहीं दे पाते हैं, क्योंकि पहले सभी 30 डेज़ में फैक्ट्री चलती थी, अब हफ्ते में 1 या 1.5 दिन फैक्ट्री चलती है। उसमें वो भी एक समस्या आ गई है, कॉस्ट भी बढ़ गई है और लेबर को बैठा के भी पैसे देने पड़ रहे हैं, काफ़ी सारी चीज़।
So as of now the prices have gone haywire. Any product which was $100 is now touched $400, which is very crazy situation. And on top of it all, we don't have the material also to sell.
So sir, how are you tackling with this situation? What kind of support do you want from government?
Whatever support that we can give it to our customers, we are giving it to them. I mean, it's a no profit, no loss kind of a game. Even making losses also, just to cater to our customers.
The entire market is disrupted, all the way from availability to prices. They're extremely volatile. The suppliers give a price validity of maybe not more than 2 hours. But where as Forest we bring in our strength is that we are the largest buyers of phenol and formaldehyde in the country. We buy about 5,000 tons of each per month, which is why our supply chain has been very varied and absolutely strong till date. From all parts of the world, ranging west, east, domestic, in all parts we have a supply chain that's catering to us still, even though there is disruption in the market. So as an example, phenol, before the start of the war, it is index based, so before the start of the war it was 84 rupees per kg. Currently it is 203 per kg and we buy 5,000 tons of it per month. So when you think about the volatility that's happened in the last month because of the war, it's not a small impact. The only manufacturer of phenol in the country has shut down his plant because of lack of propylene. So the implications are much bigger than what people think, and they will get to the end consumer sooner or later.
Honestly, this situation is affecting us severely because nowadays these raw material prices are not at all stable, and suppliers are increasing the prices day by day, but customers are not willing to pay the price. So it is a very tough situation for all manufacturers, and I guess and I hope this situation should be normal at the earliest.
Okay sir, so how are you tackling this?
We are simply requesting our customers just to support us and give us some price increase, and we are cutting down our costs by cutting our energy cost and by reducing our scrap, by doing some V&V activities. We are trying to manage, but honestly it is very difficult to manage.
See, the current situation due to this geopolitical and the Middle East war, entire supply chain has been disturbed. All the logistics and even the supply of the key raw material, which is very important for the synthetic rubber, primarily butadiene, styrene, acrylonitrile. It is seriously affected. Apcotex, being the Indian manufacturer, and butadiene is available, so we have more than 4 suppliers in India. So that way we are very less impacted. Even though the prices is the market driven, the cost is what the suppliers are determining. But at least we have the material, and we are working 100% even in these difficult times. So that is what customers also appreciate in India also and internationally also.